Morning, children. Okay, so I hope everybody have completed the worksheets. Was it interesting or were you able to do it or not? Yes, I hope everybody were able to solve the worksheet which I have been giving you. Okay, so in previous two sessions we saw Indian place value system and international place value system, right? Now we are just going to compare these two systems and see what is the minute difference between that system. Okay, as I told you, Indian system we use it here in India, how we speak it in Indian country, and international system is when you go to abroad countries, the currency system is being used in that way, like in millions, billions, arabs, karabs, right? So moving ahead, we can see here the two place value system on the screen. Now here the difference is starting with the periods. Now see here the period. One's period is having three places, as I told you in Indian number system, that is ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands is having 1000 period and 10,000 period, right? That is the 5-digit number. And sixth digit number, that is 1 lakh, is shown in the Indian system. Whereas in international system, you can see that 1 lakh is shown as 100 thousands. Now in Indian system, the 1 lakh starts the lakh period. So in lakh period, we have again lakh and 10 lakhs. Yes, you would have heard 10 lakhs also. Yes, but in international system, the 1000 period extends till the 100,000s. That is the 6-digit number. Okay, so this is the basic difference of reading only, actually reading the number or telling the number in Indian number system and international number system. In India, we call it as 1 lakh, but in international, when you go out, they will call it as 100,000s. Or after that, they will, if it is 10 lakh, it will may go to 1 million. Okay, as the next period will start. Now see here, let us compare. Now I have given here two numbers. Let's begin with the first number. I will start writing the name of the places of this number. How will we start? Writing ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakh. This is in Indian number system, right? Now let's see with the second number how it is. The second number is 576312. Why am I reading the number like this? So that now after writing the places, we will read the number in the according to our international number system. Now here this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and this is 100,000. So this is which system? International number system. So now we can see here how the Indian system and the international system is. Now in the Indian system, you could see here now that I have put commas there. Commas are put according to the periods, where the period end. Like the ones period end after 1000, or you can say after 100 or before 1000, right? From the thousands, the next period starts. In Indian system, you can see that the comma is put after the 8 also, right? So where in the Indian system it is in the lakh period, but in international system I would put only one comma, that is after the 100, that is one's period is over. When one's period is over, I have put the comma there and I have made two periods separately to be read. Like in Indian system, I would read the above number as 8,65,421. But the below number in international system, how I will read it as 576,312. Now suppose I have to read this number, the above number, that is 8,65,421 in international system. How will I read that number? I will not put the comma after lakhs period. I will read it as 865,421. Similarly, now the below number which is shown here. In Indian system, how I will read that? I would read 5,76,312. So, in this way, we can see that the reading of the number is differentiated according to its period. Now, let's see what is being here. Now, see here, inserting the commas and rewriting in Word using both the system. Now, this type of questions I will be also giving you in your worksheet. You have to compare it and practice of putting commas, because the comma itself will help you to read the number properly. Okay, like you can also read it as in Indian system. In Indian system, I can say that I can remember it also like this, that 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma. And in international system, how it will be? 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Now the 7th digit is not there, but I would say only 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. But in Indian system, it will be 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, because after 3, 2 and comma, right? 3, 2, 2, it will come according to the periods. But in international system, it will be 3, 3, 3, 3, right? So, you can remember with this song also. Okay, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma is in Indian system. So, I have written this number as 1,91,291. Now, same number if I write it in international system, how will I write? 191,291. Isn't it clear? A little slight difference, only the lakh period is becoming 100,000. Okay? So, writing and the reading of the number will get differentiated. Right? Now, here see certain examples I have given. You try out with me. Now, like the first number is 265403. Now, in Indian system, how will you read this? This is a 6-digit number, isn't it? So, this 6-digit number, how I will read it? In Indian system, it will be, I'll put commas 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma. So, 2 is in lakhs period. I got to know that. So, it is 2,65,403. The same number, but in international system will be read as, how will I put the commas? 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. So, here I stop. So, we can see that it is 265,403. So, in international system, it will be read in this way. Now, let's try the next number. That is 1,06,587. It is in Indian system. Similarly, in international system, how you will read the same number? It will be 106,587. So, can you read that number along with me? 106,587. Very good. Now, see the next number. Can you count the number? See how many digits are there? It is 5-digit number. So, is 5-digit number going to make any difference between Indian number system and international number system? No. We have seen that it will change only for the 6-digit number. Okay? So, this number as you read, it will be same. Even if you put commas 1, 2, 3, comma also, it will be 35,612. In international system also, you will read it as 35,000 only, because in 100,000 place there is no number. There is no 6-digit number. Okay? So, just recapitulate what all we have learned in this Indian system and international system. You might be thinking why I have been telling you all this about. As we have seen in the brick kiln, there were so many hundred thousands of bricks being arranged, right? So, We just recollected the counting of the number, why it is being read so differently. But the number is the same. Like there were many brick kilns in India, thousands of them it is written, more than 100,000. So more than 100,000 means, can you imagine how big this number is? So when you write 100,000, how what it will be? It is in international system, right? 1 followed with 5 zeros. This number is also called as 1 lakh. So can you also try writing it? Yes. So like this, 100,000 is 1 lakh, which can also be written as 100 into 1000, it is equal to 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. So in Indian system, we read it as 1 lakh, and in international system, we read it as 100,000. So, but you should be clear with Indian and international system how to read the different numbers. So, you need to practice that. There is a difference only in reading, putting commas and writing the number names. So, I will be giving you the worksheet based on these concepts. I hope everybody are solving their worksheets on their own. Don't make your parents to solve them. You have to try yourself, because I am going to recollect these worksheets and I am going to check it whether you have understood or not. Later on you are not going to answer me like this, that I have not understood. Okay? So I will revise you the concept, but I hope everybody, if you thoroughly follow whatever I have taught, you would learn the comparison between the Indian system and the international system. And why I have related this now here, because the bricks were being made in the kilns in lakhs, right? That is 100,000, isn't it? Okay. So I hope everybody will complete the worksheet on their own. You can take a little help of your parents, but you have to solve it on your own. Thank you. Bye.